For over 75 years, silicon has been the backbone of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones to satellites. But as we push towards smaller nodes and higher efficiency, a critical question emerges. Is it time to move beyond silicon? Moore's law is hitting the wall. Silicon transistors are approaching physical limits. Quantum tunneling causes electrons to leak through ultra-thin gates, and the cost per transistor has actually started increasing instead of decreasing. Modern power systems demand faster switching speeds, higher voltage tolerance, and better thermal efficiency than silicon can deliver. Enter the next generation of semiconductor materials. Wide bandgap materials like gallium nitride and silicon carbide are revolutionizing how we think about power electronics, while 2D materials are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Gallium nitride has already transformed fast-charging technology. Your laptop charger is likely powered by GaN right now. It operates at higher frequencies and switches faster than silicon, making chargers 60% smaller while delivering the same power. Silicon carbide is conquering high-voltage applications. Tesla began using SiC in their inverters in 2018, and today electric vehicles account for 70% of the SiC market. It handles extreme temperatures and voltages that would destroy silicon-based components. The real revolution lies in 2D materials. Transition. Metal dichalcogenides like molybdenum disulfide offer tunable band gaps perfect for optoelectronics. Graphene, just one atom thick yet 200 times stronger than steel, excels in flexible electronics. And bismuth-based chips operating at 500 GHz show speeds 100 times faster than silicon. Complete replacement of silicon won't happen overnight, but in the next 10 to 15 years, we'll see hybrid integration stacking these advanced materials on top of silicon foundations. The result? Processors that are more compact, faster, and efficient than ever before. The race to replace silicon isn't just about better technology, it's about enabling the next generation of innovations that will power our digital future. Ready to navigate the transition to next generation semiconductors? Contact YieldWorks today to learn how our yield management platform can help